listeners. Welcome to the podcast with your Preeti. Today, I am here with a new segment. Yes, I keep talking about unlocking the beauty of life. Yes, it is a part of unlocking the beauty of life, but with the beauty, today I am going to talk about the success stories. ऐसी कहानियाँ जो हम में से ही उभर के आई है बट हमें पता ही नहीं क्योंकि हम सब सिर्फ एलॉन मस्क, टाटा, बिरला, अंबानी, अदानी, रिलायंस इन सबको जानते हैं। बट आज ऐसे ही कॉमन मैन की जर्नी जो सक्सेसफुल भी है, इंस्पिरेशनल भी है और मोटिवेशनल भी है, हर उस व्यक्ति के लिए जो ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना चाहते हैं। सुनिएगा ज़रूर गौर से। I had recently come across with her. The name is Divya Shriram. Divya Shriram is a director of Anil Engineering Private Limited versus Pressure Vessels and Gas Projects, Proprietrix, ALG Equipments Asia Pacific. An accidental entrepreneur. She says, she tags, and she is an accidental entrepreneur who was into HR, training and development department, entered the family business post wedding. She says that they acquired the sick company in oil and gas industry. It was really overwhelming for her to be a businesswoman, but the challenges were so many, as it was just a shed. No systems, no proper working atmosphere, no culture. The workers even didn't accept them as they were South Indians, and there was resistance. She had no visibility and identity because she was called as boss wife, which was not the way she wanted to be known for. Thus, she started envisioning how to be known, and she came across some issues, some very important and critical issues, like to create a structure, to create process flowchart, to create and implement systems, to identify right talents, and to nurture them in order to shape the culture. Simultaneously, market analysis, filling the gap through the products and services, creating new products, changing the demand. Actually, all this in a nutshell, we can call it as creating a market. These were the issues she was facing. And now comes about challenging tasks. The challenging tasks like process optimizations, supply chain managements, vendor fitment, being consistent in products standard and quality. You can call it as total quality management also. So there were n number of challenges and issues. And what you can see the work. They started working very hard, dedicated, in concurrence with Department of Petroleum and Explosives Ministry. They strive to deliver very high quality precision products. So these were the transformative, or you can call it as a true transformation. Here, she would love to mention the technical support from her better half, that is Mr. Sudarshan, and her AEPL team, that is Anil Engineering Private Limited team. Then, after this, she started working on herself, her passion towards women, and started recruiting more women and providing them with opportunities to flourish and empower. That was her next vision very important, and she accomplished it. Still, the journey is going on. To summarize with her journey, Anil Engineering is an ISO certified, CE certified, LX approved company where a technocrat organization in manufacturing products like vaporizers, safety fittings for cryogenic and non cryogenic tanks, pumps for LPG, ammonia, nitrogen, argon, and oxygen segments. So you can see so many PSUs across India. They became the supply pan India and export to 15 countries. Incredible, incredible. From a sick industry in 2014 to a small scale enterprise with systems and optimized plant setup with state of art machinery exporting to 15 countries. The journey was a mixed bag with a lot of ups and downs. You can call it as a roller coaster. With this, in her 10 years of journey as an accidental entrepreneur, she had bagged several awards and accolades. Especially here, I would like to mention the most precious iconic women director 2023 award from mentor my board virtually addressed by Srimati Smriti Irani ji, Minister for Women and Child Welfare India, and Dr. Kiran Bedi. Such a big achievement, such a big accomplishment. Very incredible journey. She emphasizes for her whole journey there are 3 life lessons. These 3 life lessons can be the life lessons for everyone who can make her journey as idealized. Those are: first, mindset is game changer. Second, leadership with compassion and empathy is a must. Learning is a continuous process. The moment you stop learning, your success is stopped wherever you reach. So keep learning always, throughout, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your field, or irrespective of what you are doing. Further, 3 secrets to the success. She had given her 3 secrets. First one, don't take success to your head. Very, very important. The moment you become successful, sometimes it reaches to the head. So don't take it. Second secret is success is the result of failures. I have told in one of my podcasts, rejection, failures. Then your journey doesn't stop. It means you're going ahead. So success is the result of failures and array of experiences. Learn from your experiences and move forward. So whatever you experience or whatever comes, either a success or failure, those are the great experience. Learn from it and go ahead. And the third, very, very important, dream big. Unless and until you dream big, you can't reach over there. And for that, you need to set goals. Those goals need to be divided into different parts. No matter what happened, break it down and go for it. So these are the messages from her journey. I hope you all resonate with it and you all will love it. If there is a little inspiration from this beautiful story, do follow it. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected,